G'day mate, how are you? Welcome to another episode of Litereally Speaking.
And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.
Oh, okay.
That's the Seki I know.
Well, today, as you all know, Tiny Tips is going to be discussing on the issue of accent. Yay or nay?
So Seki, do you think it makes you sound cooler?
I don't think it's a matter of being cool or not. You see, when I was studying in Australia, I had to speak like that because I had trouble speaking to the locals there. In order to be able to communicate with them, I needed to put on that accent.
Remember, the goal behind communication is clarity, understanding one another. If anything, putting on an accent does not make you sound more educated. Instead, it sounds more exaggerated. It's something that comedians and stand-ups use to achieve a humorous effect through exaggeration. So unless you're trying to clown around with your friends, please stop with the accent.
Whatever it is, most important is to be yourself. Try not to pretend to be someone else. Now, I do get it if you are born and raised in a country and then you choose to migrate and move over to another country, but you will soon realize that the cultural understanding, the cultural acceptance will be there. They may find it difficult to understand you at first, but give it some time and you'll fit right in. Everyone will accept you.
And if you're an actor watching this video and you have an upcoming role which needs you to put on an accent, please forget about everything we said and all the best in your accent learning adventure. And just like that, this marks the end of our Tiny Tips video. Be sure to share this video with your friends, and if you know somebody who can't stop it with their pretentious accent, share this right in their faces.
So until then, keep learning,
Keep enjoying,
and keep watching Literally Speaking.